So today we're gonna deliver about history of R.A. Kartini. So let's begin. Imagine a small coastal town in Java called Jepara in the year 1879. In this town, a baby girl was born into a noble Javanese family. Her name was Raden Ajeng Kartini. Her father was the regent of Jepara, Raden Mas Adipati Aryo Sosroningrat. Since she was a child, Kartini was known as a very intelligent and curious girl. She loved reading books and learning new things. Kartini had the opportunity to study at the Dutch school where she learned to read, write, and speak Dutch. At the time, it was very rare for Indonesian girls to receive such an education.
However, her happiness did not last long. When Kartini was about 12 years old, she had to follow the Javanese traditional called seclusion, where a young noble girl had to stay at home and were not allowed to continue their education. For Kartini, who loved learning so much, this was very difficult. Even so, Kartini did not give up. While staying at home, she continued learning by reading many books, magazines, and newspapers from Europe. She also wrote letters to her friends in the Netherlands. In those letters, Kartini shared her thoughts about the difficult situation faced by Indonesian women who had very limited opportunities to study and decide their own future.
From that experience, a big dream grew in Kartini's heart. She wants in Indonesia women to have the same opportunity as men to refresh education and lead a better life. Later, Kartini married the regent of Rembang, Raden Adipati Joyoningrat. Her husband supported her dream of improving education for women. Kartini then opened a small school for girls so they could learn to read and write.
Sadly, Kartini's life was very short. In 1904, after giving birth to her first child, she passed away at the young age of 25. Even though her life was brief, her ideas and struggle continued to inspire many people. Her letters were later collected and published in a book titled From Darkness to Light. Through this book, people learned about Kartini's great dreams for the progress of Indonesian women. Today, every April 21 is celebrated as Kartini Day in Indonesia to honor her contribution and to remember her message. The women have the right to learn, dream, and active her future.